Does your organization need to save time and create an automated installation process? Work smarter with Canon's Installation Support Service. Installation Support Service reduces your device setup time while providing consistency and automating the process of configuring each device. You can create an installation model on your computer that can include any combination of device settings, firmware, and select MEEP applications, and be used on as many devices of the same model as you need. Then complete the process by having the device automatically update itself using the installation model you created by downloading it through the network or by simply plugging in a USB drive. This tool can provide consistency across all devices at your dealership, as well as benefit your setup process for large and small customer fleets. So start working smarter with Canon's Installation Support Service. Please visit the Canon USA website for more information about Canon Installation Support Service.